Ndewo nọ na kanal Igbotutorials. Aha m bụ Nwaada Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Na nkụzi ụbọchị taa, anyị ga-ekwukwa ọzọ maka ngwa. Hello and welcome to Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. In today's lesson, we're going to continue our lesson on verbs. By the end of this lesson, you should know some of the most common Igbo verbs you run into in your everyday conversations. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let's begin. To walk. Ịga ije. Ịga ije. To walk. To be. Ịdị or ịbụ. Ịdị or ịbụ. To stand. Ikuni. To stand. Ikuni. To go. Ije or ịga. Ije or ịga. To hold. Iji. Iji. To do something. Ime ihe. To do is ime. Something is ihe. Okay, so if you're talking about doing something, ime ihe. Okay, let's continue. To pray. A prayer. Ikpe ekpere. To pray is ikpe. Prayer is ekpere. Okay? To tell. Ịgwa. To tell. Ịgwa. Okay? To write. Ide. To write. Ide. Okay? To stay or to sit. Ịnọdụ. Ịnọdụ. To draw. To draw. Ise. Ise. To draw something, ise ihe. To draw, ise. To give. Inye. To give. Inye. Okay? To work. Ịrụ. Ọrụ. To work. Ịrụ. Ọrụ. To have or own. To have. Inwe. To own. Inwere. You say, I own a car. Enwere m ụgbọala. Or, do you own a car? Inwere ụgbọala. Okay, to have is inwe, and to own, inwere, or you have. To think. To think. Iche, echiche. Iche, echiche. To think. Okay? To get. Inwe or inweta. Inwe or inweta. To take something. Iwere. To take. Iwere. Something. Ihe. To take something. Iwere ihe. To laugh. Ichi. Ochi. Ichi. Ochi. Okay? And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Practice, practice, and practice. Speak with people. Practice by commenting in the comment section below if you have answers or if you just want to contribute. Okay? One more time, favor this video, like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. My name is still Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Till next time, God bless you.